Yeah, that one right there.
Heavy.
That's heavy on God. Let's see how long it take him to tie that one up. How do you feel about your big boy?
Great. This big boy. For heavy chores. He needs this.
Yeah, he do.
Large dog. Wait, let's make sure ain't no pork in here. Oh, it's the beef bone. He get this.
Yeah. Yeah, that last bone
They
he
got
tore
buffalo
up.
jerk. Right here.
Oh, bro, buffalo jerky.
Sit. Sit.
Hey, boy.
Sit.
Good boy. Stop being a hard head, man. Phantom.
Come on. That is a cardboard. Ain't that
Man
dog
trying
ain't
to
real?
attack cardboard fake dogs. Man, that boy 80 pounds? 80 pounds, big boy?
Stop pulling me. Oh, hold on. His thing turned. He ain't getting choked.
Oh. Thought he got away.
Keep pulling me, dude. Let's go. Come on, let's go see how much you weigh.
Yeah, let's see how much you weigh today, man.
Every other night I know the movie get mad. Just too hard, I'm staying too close. I'm fucking on the ground. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why I go. Long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night I know.
You look good today. You hear me? You looking real good today.
Fuck you! Is that all?
Zion get gained on. Rockstar did and it's all on me. Watch this drip get rained on. Took your put your girl on fleek. How you know what you really want, baby girl? Always got your hand out.